everyone. It's Mary Ellen from the library at the Armory. How are you all, my Armory stars? I've been thinking a lot about all of you, all of my friends. All of us at the Armory know we can't be together, and we're kind of sad about that, but we're going to make the best of it, and I know you're doing the same thing. So we've come up with some new ideas. First, be sure to watch our Facebook page every day, because we'll be sending lots and lots of information online, free books, and even more than we have in our library. Can you imagine that? If you look online for books at some of these sites we'll give you, you'll see thousands and thousands. I've been reading this book. It's called A Bite-Sized History of France, and it's about all the delicious foods that they've made in France over the years. It makes me very, very hungry. I hope you've been reading too, either a book in your hand or a book online or a book that maybe your teacher has been sending you online. Next, I want to tell you that we're all pretty excited about something else. Every morning at 9 o'clock, you can view some fun videos from many different friends of the Armory who want to say hello and read with you. Each day will bring a new surprise. Pretty cool, huh? Now, I have to tell you that I'm awfully glad that the sun came out today because it was getting a little bit dreary. And I tried to think of some of the funny things that I've ever read. One of them, I don't know if you should tell your parents this, one of them is a poem that Shel Silverstein wrote, and it's called Too Many Kids in This Tub. Here it is. There's too many kids in this tub. There's too many elbows to scrub. I just washed a behind that I'm sure wasn't mine. There are too many kids in this tub. I have always smiled when I have read that poem, so I've got a little challenge for you. Think of something you do every day. Think of something you do even when you're stuck at home, and try to write a silly poem. And then send it into the Armory. And who knows, maybe someday I'll be standing here reading it for you. Know that we miss and love you all, and we can't wait to be back together again. Stay well and healthy. Bye-bye.